Welcome back to HUMANITYUAPD. Today we are exploring one of Paris's most famous neighborhoods, Quartier Pigalle. Pigalle is known for its vibrant nightlife, legendary cabarets, artistic heritage, and colorful history. Located at the foot of Montmartre in northern Paris, Pigalle is one of the city's best-known entertainment districts. The neighborhood is named after the French sculptor Jean-Baptiste Pigalle. Pigalle became famous during the Belle Époque, when Paris flourished with art, music, and cultural innovation. Although Pigalle was historically associated with adult entertainment, today it is celebrated for its restaurants, cafes, music venues, theaters, and creative atmosphere. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Pigalle became a gathering place for artists, musicians, writers, and performers. The neighborhood's lively cabarets and music halls attracted people from across Europe. World-famous artists such as Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec captured Pigalle nightlife in paintings that remain celebrated today. Its colorful streets became symbols of Parisian creativity and bohemian culture. No visit to Pigalle is complete without mentioning the legendary Moulin Rouge. Recognizable by its iconic red windmill, the Moulin Rouge has entertained audiences since 1889. Known for spectacular performances, elaborate costumes, and the famous French cancan dance, the Moulin Rouge remains one of Paris's most popular attractions. Millions of visitors come each year to experience this historic venue. Modern Pigalle has undergone significant transformation. Many former adult establishments have been replaced by boutique hotels, trendy cafes, cocktail bars, live music venues, and art galleries. Today, the district attracts travelers interested in history, architecture, nightlife, and local culture, rather than solely its historical reputation. Pigalle successfully blends its fascinating past with modern Parisian life. If you plan to visit Pigalle, stay aware of your surroundings, especially late at night. Keep your belongings secure in crowded tourist areas, and use official transportation. Respect local residents and businesses, and explore nearby Montmartre and the Basilica of Sacré-Cœur for stunning city views. Thousands of tourists safely visit Pigalle every day. Quartier Pigalle is far more than its historical reputation. It represents the evolution of Paris from artistic revolution and legendary entertainment to modern culture, tourism, and nightlife. Whether you're fascinated by history, architecture, performing arts, or simply want to experience one of Paris's most iconic neighborhoods, Pigalle offers something for everyone. For even more information, visit our complete article at HUMANITYUAPD.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, cultural insights, history, and educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.